Namaste children, welcome back to the class. Figure out page 102. So before starting with the class, I request you who all are watching the videos, please subscribe to the Sadan Guide Center so that you can get the solved problems as well as some question bank problems. Okay, let us start. Find the remaining angles in the following quadrilaterals: X, W, U, V. So as we have seen in the previous part, that is parallelogram property. Here same way we will use, this is nothing but the rhombus, right? So by using rhombus properties, x w v u, x w v u. Now what is the given here? Given here angle v, that is 30 degree, so we can consider x v x v u. So right here given, okay, given, what is it given? Diagonal xv and angle xvu is equal to 30 degree, Now angle xvw is equal to 30 degree, since it is diagonal bisects angle v. So angle v is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. Then that is angle x is equal to none other than 60 degree. Here again write the given, since reason it is a opposite angle. Okay, always you have to write the reason, children. Whenever and wherever it is necessary, you have to write the reason. Angle W is equal to angle U, which is equal to 180 degree, minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. Here again, since adjacent angle, it is a adjacent angle. Okay, next, that is, now we got the values of all the value, now all the angles. Now therefore angle V is equal to 60 degree, angle X is equal to 60 degree, angle W is equal to 120 degree, and angle U is equal to 120 degree. So this is the value what we got it. Same way, next fourth one, here again OIEA, again by using rhombus properties. What are there? OIEA. Okay. Now again here given what he has given in the figure, angle AEO or OEA. What is there? AEO, that is angle O is how much? 20 degree. Right. Then angle OEI 20 degree. Since again diagonal OE or diagonal bisects angle E. Okay, children. Next, then after OEA, we will get the value of angle E. You'll find 20 degree plus 20 degree, which is equal to 40 degree. So 20 degree is that angle. So that is nothing but 40 degree. So we'll find there. Why means because angle O is 40 degree, since it is a opposite angle. since it is a opposite angle, and angle I is equal to angle A 180 degree minus 40 degree, which is equal to 140 degree, since it is again adjacent angle. Now, therefore, the values what we got here, that is angle E 40 degree, angle O 40 degree, angle I 140 degree, and angle A is equal to 140 degree. I hope you understood with it problems. And children, for this solved problems, like this solved problems, remaining chapter and remaining topics, go into the playlist of my channel Sadan Guide Center, and you will get the part-wise videos. So you can refer each and every video and you can go for your exam. Okay, children, if you have any doubts, please do comment me, and some comments I got it for the next chapter, so surely I will be uploading the next chapter. Thank you, children.